Hi, welcome to my space. Hopefully, you are doing fine. Today, I'm going to be taking you through world record breaking Buka stew. Yes, you heard me right. This is direct from the stable of our world chef, Hilda Bacci. I have passed through her tutelage. Okay, so if you go through my channel, you'll see that I have this recipe already, but you will be able to tell that this has gone to Harvard and back. So I started with the main cocoa, which is bleaching of palm oil. While it is being done, I came over to season my protein. The fish I season with salt and cubes and set aside to marinate. This I'm seasoning with salt, cubes, pepper, onion, ginger and garlic paste. Place it on fire to simmer before adding water to get my stock. And yes, over here is my bawa, my tatashi, rodo, and onion and tomatoes. Tomato can no longer flex muscles if you understand the secret of making stews. Yes, you actually don't need much of tomatoes. Over here, I blended everything together, and this is our pepper mix, the odogu for this. And come over here, this is ready, and so it's time to fry. I divided the bleached oil into two. Use half to fry my proteins. You will see what I'll use the remaining half to do later. Okay, so after frying the protein, everything was spon skills. I hope by this time this video is already being given a thumbs up by you. Now I come over to fry the fish, and at the end of the day everything is ready. So we head over to the main cocoa in that same oil. Yes, add your onion, season with seasoning cubes. I have a mixture of seasoning cubes here. Add salt and then fry until it is translucent in color. Yeah, so you come in with your dogo. When you add this, you have to romance it. Like you cannot stir it arrogantly, else it will show you muscles. Okay, just romance it like when you are toasting a woman for the very first time. Don't cover it, allow it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. When you come back, you see that it's already settling, it's already getting thick. At this time, you can now season more with curry. I season with curry, some more ginger and garlic paste, and some more seasoning cubes. In total for this stew, I used about 7 seasoning cubes, mixture of no and star. So at this time, you can now stroke it, like you turn it more with more harshness. Now it has started to agree for you for the toasting, so you can be more vigorous. But here you have to cover it because you have stirred it, you have aroused it, so it's going to start showing you muscles. Like it's going to start splashing the poto. It is here that it starts, and it will start giving you work by messing up your kitchen. So yeah, cover it again and allow it to go for a very long time, like 10 minutes. Come back and add the remaining of that bleached oil. Then you season again, you stir it very well and cover it to cook for another 10 minutes. Yeah. After that, you see the way it is looking. That pale like yellowish like color is now turning red and looking bonbon skills, like very sweet. And by this time, gosh, if you are in my kitchen, you want to eat the kitchen even. Yeah, so this is the time to add your protein. Add your protein, give it a good stir, and then you will have to cover it again to cook for another 2 minutes to 3 minutes, so that the deliciousness of the protein can enter the stew and the stew can enter the protein. I hope you understand it. Yeah, so just cover it and give it time. And then, okay, sorry, I forgot. You add your stock at this point if you're using stock. If you're not using stock, then it is okay. Yeah, if you should also taste your food or taste your food. After covering it for some time, for some minutes, I come back and then I had to taste again to be sure that everything is given. And trust me, everything is given. At this point, you have to reduce the oil, right? You see this oil, don't throw it away. This is a golden oil. You will use it next time you want to cook. So do not discard this oil. This oil is priceless. Okay, so after you have removed the excess oil, you give it a good stir this time around. This time around, you have to be romancing it again, because if you do it jaga jaga, that's your fish will just scatter. Okay, so you have to start over as if you're toasting it. Now the stew is done. I just garnished it with curry leaf, and at this point the gas is already put off. Then you have to do a final top up with this golden oil. This is where the taste become intense. Have you given me a thumbs up already? This too is giving, oh guys, like I'm telling you, I would recommend you try this. And yeah, do you know what I paired it with? Dodo. And I used that same golden oil to fry my dodo, and it was top. It was okay. So this is me serving my food, and voila, come and join me. Remember, I paid heavily for this class, and you are not paying me anything. So the pay now is to like, comment, and share. Thank you.